Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging on the Android device. This lets your Mac talk to the phone. Next, install Homebrew if needed, then run brew install Android Platform Tools scrcpy so you have a DB and scrcpy. Once done, plug the phone into the Mac and set the USB mode to file transfer. Make sure the cable supports data, not just charging. This prepares the fast, reliable USB path for mirroring and avoids wireless lag right away. You verify the link by running a DB devices. If you see the device ID, accept the debug prompt on the phone. Then start scrcpy, just type scrcpy to mirror at default quality. If you want to reduce bandwidth, use scrcpy B2mm1024 to set bitrate and max size. This helps on slower Macs or networks. To go wireless, run a DB TCP/IP 5555. Find the phone IP, then a DB Connect 192, 160. You finish by using scrcpy controls. Press Ctrl plus F for full screen, Ctrl plus R to record, and drag to interact. This gives a responsive desktop view of your phone. When done, revert wireless with a DB USB or a DB disconnect and unplug safely. If the mirror is blank or device doesn't appear, make sure the phone shows the USB debugging authorization, accept it, and set USB mode to file transfer. If that fails, run a DB kill server, then a DB start server and reconnect. This often fixes stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.